Mr. Chairman, sir, I rise to take part in the budget speech addressed by the Honorable Chief Minister in charge of Finance on different programs. Sir, our MDA government has completed 4 years in office. During the last 4 years, we were faced with many challenges, right from the agitation program organized by different organizations on different burning issues. But situations were put under control by our government. We have fought the COVID-19 pandemic for the past 18 months, but under the guidance and able leadership of Sri Conrad Konkel Sangma, we have managed to pass through difficult challenges. In spite of many problems that were faced, developmental programs keeps on rolling. Mr. Chairman, sir, with regards to home, the safety of citizen peace and security are necessary for development, keeping in mind the 50 years of statehood. All socio and religious festivals were celebrated with joy and happiness. Happy to know that the Nyotrap National Liberation Council has written to the state government expressing its willingness for unconditional talks within the framework of the Constitution of India. It is a very good sign, and looking forward that our government will respond at the earliest. Sir, when we talk about the rural infrastructure, Smith Village is one of the headquarters of the Hima Kairim. We urgently required to set up one fire service station at Smith Village because I have witnessed on several occasions where there's a fire broke out, we have to call the fire service, and by the time they reach to these adjoining areas and also to Smith area, it has turned into ashes. They could not help. So I would request the government of the day to kindly look into these important points which I've raised and to get the sanction accorded. It is very important, sir. Happy to see both the chief ministers of both the states have had several meetings in the last 6 months on boundary dispute. And I'm happy to know that talks are progressing in the right path, and I sincerely hope that the same will be resolved very soon. Let me come to education, Mr. Chairman, sir. Our government has taken up the responsibility of taking higher education to the doorsteps of rural population by setting up 9 people's colleges, which will be managed by the local communities. Let me inform the House that there are few more people college who have submitted their applications and are awaited for the recommendation from the concerned department. We have heard the speech by the Honorable Chief Minister that more people, colleges will be approved in this coming financial year. Sir, let me come to health and family welfare. Health and family welfare, they have carried out a tremendous job in the past 18 months on how to combat with the COVID-19 pandemic. We have lost quite a numbers of health workers who have sacrificed their life to save others. Healthcare system in the state have improved immensely, but sadly, I would like to inform this House that there are an urgent need to set up one pharmacy at Ganesh Das Hospital, Lambor, Shillong. The reason is all attendants to patients admitted at Ganesh Das Hospital have to walk down to Polo Market to buy medicines, especially in the middle of the night, and it becomes very difficult and unsafe. Therefore, I urge the government of the day to kindly look into this important matter. Mr. Chairman, sir, agriculture and farmers' welfare. The government has done its best on different aspects on how to improve the livelihood of farmers in our state. We have witnessed a number of lay-by market in different districts set up by the department concerned, and through these markets, it has benefited to quite a number of farmers. The government has successfully completed 1 year of the implementation of the flagship focus program. Through this program, it will encourage our youth to stand on their feet. But let me inform that till date, numbers of producer group have not availed the grant in aid. Looking forward, in the current financial year, the government will be able to clear at the earliest through different blocks for the benefits of the producer group. Mr. Chairman, sir, farmers are facing lots of hardship due to non-availability of urea fertilizer in the market. The reason is that in 2016, the previous government have put on hold temporarily and issued an order by the Agriculture Department in the year 2016. And because of this problem, the urea fertilizer was sold in the market at rupees 1,200, whereas the actual price is 265. I would like to urge the department to kindly resolve this crisis.
Members, your time is 1 minute more.
5 minutes, Mr. Chairman.
No, it's already complete now. 9 minutes, only 1 minute left. You can go faster.
Another 3 minutes?
I think better you can stick. You still do 1 minute so the others can participate. Nah?
Okay. Mr. Chairman, sir, let me come to the community and rural development. The department is committed in accelerating the economic and social development of rural areas with a view to increasing the income level and improving quality of life to the rural people. The aims and objective of the government is to bridge the gap between the people and the government machineries for their easy access. During the past few months, we have witnessed different Dorbas from different districts have come up and forward submit their memorandum for creation of new blocks. And one of these is under my constituency. And I urge upon the government, if the same can be taken up at
Members,
the
your
earliest.
time has complete 10 minutes.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I have one important.
Yeah. All are important, I think better we have to respect others. So you can go
Yeah.
ahead. You can go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. Chairman, sir, when we go to the Chief Minister's Secretariat, happy to see that the Chief Minister's Secretariat has taken a number of initiatives under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund and CM's Special Grant. An amount of rupees 29.94 crores was spent on the expenditure relating to COVID-19. This includes an assistance of rupees 50,000 as a one-time ex gratia payment to the next of kin of those who have lost their lives. Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to bring to your notice that numbers of applications are lying in different blocks. Those who have passed their loved ones, those who have lost their loved ones, the 50,000 they have not received till date. And I urge the government to kindly speed up this matter.
Better you close, member. 2 minutes. I've only given you 2 minutes.
One more.
Yeah, I think better. I think you close with one more.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to know, I would like to bring to the notice of this August House that during the COVID-19 pandemic, we have lost numbers of government employees. Whether government has made any provisions for providing job to the next of kin. This is very important, and I wish that the government will take a serious note on this, Mr. Chairman, sir. And I also take this opportunity to inform this House that I want to know from the public health engineering. The department has put all efforts to ensure that JJM is completed as time frame.
Mr. Chairman, kindly
Whether
respect orders.
government has any intention to extend JJM projects to census town and urban areas, because this will not only benefit the rural but also to the urban areas.
Shall we close now?
Sorry, Mr. Chairman, sir.
It's only 3 minutes now. 30 minutes.
I know.
Yeah.
Minute, one
No,
more
it's
minute.
enough. Respect orders because only 10
yes,
minutes.
yes.
Orders 10 minutes of stick now.
Yes.
Please.
Okay, Mr. Chairman.
You're a senior member.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All the best. Yes.